everyone, welcome back to CHATS. This is Maree, founder of Beauty in Seoul.
And I'm Judy Ju, chef, author, restaurateur, and TV personality, and K-beauty junkie.
And today's episode is
ginseng. We love ginseng.
Also known as Korea's best medicine. They use it a lot in a lot of medicinal skincare. So ginseng is a root from the genus Panax. So if you look on the back of skincare products, it will usually say Panax ginseng root, Panax ginseng extract. A lot of health benefits related to ginseng, but one of the main ones is, and which is why it is a really great anti-aging ingredient in skincare, but then also additional health benefits as well, is that it is very high in antioxidants, which helps prevent skin damage from free radicals. Why do you need to prevent against free radicals? Is because free radicals are the nasty guys that break down collagen in your skin, and collagen is what keeps your skin nice and tight and firm, which is why over the years we tend to lose it. Sad face. So ginseng is really great at that, and it's also known as similar to caffeine, so really good at revitalizing the skin. Also has benefits such as like giving you an energy boost as well. So that's why we've decided.
Drink it instead of coffee in the morning.
True. Yeah.
It really gives you an energy boost.
You actually give me some ginseng tea, which again, you can use as a substitute to coffee, which is what I've been trying to do lately.
I like to drink it before a workout, actually.
Oh, okay.
So it just gives you like a good boost of energy. And it tastes really nice too.
Yeah, it's like a, it tastes very medicinal, like it's good for you as well.
It's a fountain of youth, actually, right? It's there's so many health benefits associated with this root. And you can buy it fresh, you can buy it dried, you can buy it aged also. So here we have a few different kinds. I've got the tea, which is like little pellets, and they just dissolve completely. You just add hot water. There's no filter necessary or anything like that. There are no leaves. You can buy it dried, as I have here, and you can also buy it really aged. So this one's aged for about, I think this is a 10-year one. Wow. Quite expensive. You'll see it in health food stores everywhere. And you can also get it fresh. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ginseng chicken soup too. Yeah. So
ginseng chicken soup, or Samgyetang, is quite a medicinal soup. I mean, it contains a whole host of ingredients, as you can see. So I think a lot of people in Korea tend to have it when they're feeling ill or a little bit under the weather, or in the summer as well. Like, it's quite popular
in the summer.
Because
you want to fight heat with heat. It's an old adage in Asia. So when it's hot outside, you want to eat something hot, and it'll cool your body temperature right down. And of course, it's chicken soup at the end of the day.
It's a comfort.
So it's a comfort thing. I tend to make different variations of my samgyetang. So here I'm using lots of different types of Oriental medicine, herbs and roots and things like that, just kind of giving an extra boost. And if you can't find some really nice, good ginseng, you can also put the tea in the broth, and it kind of fortifies and makes the broth taste much better, a little bit stronger. And it has that really nice kind of fragrance to it, which is great.
It actually, when you're cooking it, because I made Judy's recipe, and like it actually just smells really comforting as well. And I think that's the addition of the tea.
It is,
you can really, it's gorgeous.
So I'm using just corn-fed little poussins. You can use a big chicken if you want to. I like using little chickens because therefore everybody gets their own in their own little bowl. I'm gonna ask you to hand that to me. And I'm gonna put in stuffing inside. I have some garlic inside, a dry ginseng. It's gonna go right in there. And usually I put a jujube, but these are massive, so they're not gonna fit inside of these guys. But I'm gonna make a separate little rice pouch with some muslin cloth, because there's never enough rice inside, so it's always nice to have some inside. And in that muslin cloth, I'm gonna put some of the sweet rice, some of these herbs, the jujubes or daechu, and some other types of medicinal barks and roots. And I'm just stuffing these chickens.
Samgyetang is really good for like your inside as well, in terms of it probably
chicken
gives like a
healing, penicillin for the soul,
energy boost as well.
Definitely.
So like
healing.
I guess in the summer, not only to kind of combat the heat, but it gives you, you know, when you're feeling a little bit lethargic. Yeah, exactly. It just gives you like a real boost of energy.
Definitely.
I think that's the same in terms of skincare, kind of like feels really invigorating. But like you say, they use it a lot in a lot of anti-aging skincare lines because of its properties. Obviously, we touched upon prevention from free radicals, but also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and also, you know, the appearances of the early signs of aging, which obviously all want to avoid.
And what do we have here today?
So first of all, we've got a few products, that contain ginseng. So first of all, it's a brand called Seoul. Now actually the main ingredient in this is plum water. So it's seasonal, but then it also contains Panax ginseng extract, which is why it's called Bring the Light into Your Skin. So this is a really great anti-aging brightening serum. So I really like this one. It's very lightweight for those that probably have like combination normal skin but are looking for a brightening serum, and also one that contains anti-aging properties. Because of the ginseng, this is a great option.
Does it smell like ginseng?
It doesn't.
No.
Okay.
Some people don't like the smell.
Yeah, it's a very
strong.
Yeah, like medicinal.
I love it.
I love it.
I love it. So you know the Seoul brand makes a very good ginseng.
They have a ginseng line as well. Yeah, and that smells quite strong.
Quite strong of ginseng. Yeah, which I like actually.
Yeah. So it's a taste of some, and it's the same as kind of like tamarind oil, which is another skincare ingredient that has a really distinct, almost like nutty, earthy scent. And some people either love it, or some people just are like, oh, I cannot put this on my face.
Yeah,
so it's quite different. But actually, all of these don't have that really strong ginseng smell, which makes them quite nice, maybe for those that are less familiar with what ginseng is. And then one of my favorite masks is actually from a brand called Ginseng, and this is their Rich Nourishment mask. This is actually from the 5 sheet masks in the range. This is the most popular one.
Oh, really?
Brightening, super nourishing, contains ginseng root extract as well. So this is a really great one and a really affordable one at $2.75. So a really good like regular use sheet mask. Plus the packaging is just so cute.
I've been sheet masking every day.
And
I'm addicted.
The result?
I'm totally addicted to sheet masking.
So I remember when I first met Judy, I was like, how often do you sheet mask? I think you said maybe like
once a week or twice a week.
And I was like, I sheet mask every day.
Totally. It's also because they stay on your face now. So you can just slap one on, do a bunch of emails, get on with your routine at home.
But it's funny you say that. So this one is made from a material called cupra, which is really adhesive to the skin. So as in like, I vacuumed with this on, I have like washed up, like it doesn't slip, which is something that I really like in a sheet mask. Because like you say, I kind of like to multitask and do stuff as well. This one is great, really affordable as well, $2.75. So a good regular use mask. Like I said, this is the most popular sheet mask from the range. I just really like it. It's a really good one. It also contains ceramides as well, so again, really great anti-aging option. And then we move on to Shangpree. So Shangpree is a premium skincare brand in Korea. They have an infamous spa in Cheongdam, which is like the rich place to go. Yeah, the rich place to go. And I mean, the spa is just heaven, like it's gorgeous. And they do really great skincare products, and one of my favorite products from Shangpree are their hydrogels. I probably use hydrogels, which are eye masks that you literally just place under your eyes, but you can also use them around here or anywhere to kind of like target any areas where you're wanting to reduce the appearance of fine lines. I probably use them 4 times a week. If I'm tired, like I literally have this on my bedside stand, and I'm just like, as soon as I wake up, I'm just like putting them on.
Love it.
But these, so convenient. Also, like I love putting them just before I get off on a flight because it just kind of wakens up that area. So speaking of waking up that area, this is why the ginseng version is great. So this also contains evening primrose, cherry extracts, I think like raspberry extracts as well. So lots of fruit extracts. Also vitamin C. So vitamin C is a really good brightening agent, which is why these ones are really good for under the eye if you suffer from kind of dark circles or are wanting to kind of make that area a little bit more brighter and youthful looking.
Everybody has some issue with their under eyes, I feel.
Yeah.
After a certain age, it's just like the under eyes is just an issue.
It's so true. So the ginseng one also contains ginseng berry, and ginseng root is the key ingredient in this one as well. So like we said, ginseng is a very revitalizing ingredient. So hence why it's probably nice just to like give that little bit of a boost. Yeah, a boost to your under eye area. So those ones are really great as well. What are we doing
That's
here?
it. So basically I've got my stuffed baby chickens in there.
Ooh.
I made a little rice pouch with the other oriental herbs and medicine for roots, and I'm just gonna pour some water in and add a couple of tea bags, and it's gonna boil for about 2 hours.
That's like really easy.
Super easy, super easy. And if you want the full recipe, it's in my book, Korean Food Made Simple, or I think it's free online also. Just Google Judy ginseng soup, and it'll probably come up.
Magical ginseng.
Yeah, magical ginseng. It is magical. It's really quite fragrant, and it does kind of hug you back. It's that kind of food, and it's
really
good for you inside and out. And if you want, sometimes I use brown rice or multi-grain rice inside. So if you want to kind of, boost the nutrition content as well, that's absolutely fine. Make it your own. You don't have to add all of these extra things in it as well. But the ginseng is key. It goes really nice with the flavor of chicken. They complement each other very great.
Yeah, it is really comforting soup. I love it.
Now we're just gonna put in some water.
Okay.
Do the honors. And I'm just gonna boost the broth a little bit with a couple of sachets of the tea. You can put more if you want, you can put less.
Do you need to add more?
That's fine.
Oh, I can already smell that tea.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
And I'm gonna just give it a little bit of a mix.
It'll
dissolve. And then we're gonna let that boil and bring it down to a simmer for about 2 hours, and then that's it, and serve.
So I actually have a fun fact about ginseng.
What's your fun fact?
So I'm adopted, as some of you may know, from a small town which is just outside of Daejeon.
Daejeon.
Yeah, and it's called Kumsan.
Kumsan. Ah, okay.
And Kumsan is tiny, but it is known to be the biggest ginseng exporter of Korea. So 80% of ginseng manufactured in Korea is actually exported from Kumsan.
So you're the ginseng girl.
I'm like,
I'm a
ginseng baby.
Ginseng baby.
This is why I love Samgyetang.
So true.
So there you go. It's in my genes, guys. It's in my genes.
Good for your body, your soul, and for your exterior beauty.
Yeah, everything. It really is such a comforting meal.
Fountain of youth, ginseng. Eat it. Put it all over your face. Do it.
Soak your skin in it.
Until next time. Bye. Thanks, everyone.